Good morning. It's 10:30 in the morning here in Texas. Today is Tuesday, August 12, and first day of school tomorrow here sa Texas, guys. So, did I show you? Like, merong list yung kids ng kanilang mga kailangan bilhin for school, and there are some sa list na wala na sila, so we need to go to the store and buy it. So while waiting for my husband, kasi yung asawa ko, he is training right now outside with his student. So nasa labas pa siya. I think he is almost done. It's 2 hours already. Tapos na yun, for sure. Nag-talking na lang yun, guys. Sobrang aga ko nagising today. I went to my garden right away. Fixing some of the plants and flowers na ang hirap ng Tagalog. The flowers that I propagated yesterday. So I have few cuttings. That's why itong mga taong to, nahihirapan talaga ako mag-Tagalog, guys. Like, whenever I talk, sobrang gahi ng ating accent ng Tagalog. So if there are few of you are like questioning me why I speak English in the vlog, because I think it's easier for me to speak English than Tagalog. And yeah, so what I've been doing early this morning, I woke up at 6 or 6:30 in the morning. I tried to like make my body get used to, or the habit of getting up so early, because starting tomorrow I need to be up at 5 in the morning, because Yashli has to be out around 6:30 in the morning. She has to take the bus, and because we moved her another school, so this time my husband doesn't need to like take her to school and pick her up in the afternoon. So Ashley will be taking a bus na this time, and I'm so glad that we arranged this way, so that my husband has more time for himself to rest. And you know, kasi like before guys, long sa isang school pa si Ashley, like yung asawa ko, he had to like get up around 7 just to take Ashley to school. And sometimes there are really times that he is having hard time to sleep, hindi siya makatulog, so naaawa ako, guys. So this time makapag-rest na yung asawa ko, which is really good. And I keep asking Ashley about her going to new school. She's really scared and a little nervous. That's because that's a new school. She doesn't know anybody out there. Wala pa siyang friends. And again, sinasabi ko na to sa vlog from previously, that she is back to zero naman. Has to meet new teacher, has to meet new classmates, new friends. I hope that she would able to like, you know, get to know more friends out there. Dito kasi, guys, yung bus nila is free. So, free. Actually, it's not really free, but it's free, but it's not free. Ano ba talaga? Like, sabi ng asawa ko kasi like it's paid for their taxes whatsoever. But, okay. So they have buses here to pick up kids to send to school and also like bring them back. And yung difference, yung before kasi, diba, like we were when they started going to school, we were still living in the duplex that my husband owned. And then, nung time na yon, iba yung bus na yun, guys. So, pag lilipat kami when we moved in here, and this side, it belonged to a different district. So, yung bus, hindi magpipick up, yung bus na nagpipick up doon sa duplex, hindi magpipick up dito. So, it's a different district, so different bus and different school. Basta, parang complicated siya to explain, but iba yung bus picking up on this district, this side of the subdivision. So, yeah, that's why we moved Ashley this time. So, I'm really like hoping, na like it will be like a bit easier for her. Kasi, guys, my kids are still trying to adjust. Hindi pa rin sila completely adjusted here. 11:19. Pagawa tayo ng food. Tayo, guys, yung asawa ko nagnanap. He's napping. So, kanina pa yun. Natapos ng kanyang training. Pero he needs to nap. And, meron pala siyang appointment. Kailangan niyang pumunta sa school today. So, either mamayang hapon na kami mag-Walmart siguro. Malinis yung kamay ko, kakaligo ko lang. Sige, magamit na lang tayo ng clip kasi baka mababash naman tayo. Anyway, nagluto ako ng sausage. Favorite. Actually, hindi talaga ako mahilig sa sausage, guys. Pero ito palang sausage na to, if you fry it. If you like, parang kaging ba or like over fry. Lami. Masarap siya pag over. Like, nagba-brown. Tapos, gawa tayo ng scrambled egg. As a healthy enthusiast, charot, healthy person, eating healthy food, charot. Pumili kami avocado. Nag-grocery kami kahapon, hindi ako nag-video. Nagpunta kaming Sam's, of course, magpagas. Pero ang ending, bumibili ng grocery. Ang dami namin binili yesterday, but I did not vlog kasi wala sa mood mag-video. But yeah, we did grocery yesterday. And again, kasi pasok ka na tomorrow. So we have to buy like mga snacks. And rice, of course. Kasi naubusan ako ng rice. Pumili kami rice yesterday. And kung anik-anik fruits. Oh, wow, I like that. I like that. Your outfit. Did you wear something underneath? No. I'm talking about like shorts. Did you? You have to. Don't wear that alone. Go. Yasli. Prepare yourself. Like, Daddy might think like, okay, let's go. Come with me. Sige na. Agoy mo. Ikaw, pinakaya-iya diri yan. Daddy has a lot of things. I-reheat na ko ni. Let's reheat this one. Cornbread. And then, meron pa tayo. This one. May mga food tayo dito. Guys, there's strawberry here. If you want to eat, just grab. Ano ba ito dito? What is it? Oh. Okay, meron pa pala kami mga food na mga natitira. Ayaw ko guys. Ayaw ko mag-waste ng food. So, usually, pag hindi namin naubos, keep namin dito para makain pa the next day. Meron pa pala dito, oh. Papangahit na lang. Tatapusin ko na lang kung niluto ko. Niluto tayo ng food. Ito natutunan ko sa mama ko. Like, never magsayang ng food. Kasi, ang daming mga people out there na never makakain ng maayos. Ririnig niyo ba ako, guys? So, si Ate Marilyn, yung last video, guys, nakita niyo siya, diba? Like, we went to the lake. So, that's my first Filipina friend here in Texas, by the way. Meron akong mga na-meet, nakilala, but then hindi ko na makunak. So, yung isa na Pinay na nasa Food Express. Ba tama? Food Express? Tama ba? Hindi na siya nagre-reply sa chat ko, sa text ko. So, I'm like, I don't know. But anyway, si Ate Marilyn yung like, talagang nagkukunik kami. Nagpunta siya kahapon dito, and then, she brought this one. Alam niyo ba ang laman ito, guys? Bulad! Pinadala niya, bulad. Luto na siya, oh. Tingnan niyo yan, bulad. Binigay ni Ate Marilyn. Thank you so much. Alam niya kasi nabanggit ng kids. Oh, my gosh. Kakainin ko to. Ayaw ng asawa ko yung smell nito. Pero, kakainin ko yan. No kiss per week. It's okay. Tapos na yung mga bata kumain, guys. So, kakain ako ng bulad and rice and then salmon. Rice and salmon for breakfast and lunch na ito. And then, meron akong natira kahapon na salad here. Ubusin ko din siya, no? Hindi ka magsayang ako food. Lutsura na ako kayo. Akong isa ni Ate Marilyn. Sigun! We are here in the Walmart. Mabilisan lang kami na shopping kasi punta si Belle sa school, guys. Let's go. Mainit. Quick na, Daddy. Let's go. Oh, there's somebody. Come on, hurry up, hurry up. Tissue. Facial? Tissue.
Kailangan to tissue. I don't need tissue.
What is? We have tissue at home.
Ayun naman.
What else?
4 red ballpoint pens.
3 ball pens. Let's go find ball pens.
Nakoy, wait, nakoy tulog ka red na ball pen.
So you don't need that one anymore. What else? How many?
Earbuds. No, earbuds. I have.
There's gray daw yung Daddy. You want red all? Oh, she wants red all, babe. Okay, fine. Yeah. Map
Don't you
color.
have map colors from last year?
What's that? Color
It's a
pencil.
box of colored pencils for drawing.
We are here.
I don't use them.
You already have them.
Yeah. So we
Okay,
don't need
you
that one.
Need those. And I already got the pencils.
So paper and
Ah,
everything.
scissors.
Caesar?
You don't need a box of washi.
And kuha ang sharpener.
Okay, let's get. And
Wala ka biya siya ma.
yeah, I know. That's why we have to be hurry. Oh, this is a big one. You're still working, right?
No.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's so
Your tumbler is still working? You don't want to buy another one? Okay. Alright. O, diba? Ganito lang sila, guys. Hindi naman talaga sila maarte ng mga bata. Put it back. Okay, let's go. Okay,
Hi guys.
We're leaving.
So,
bye.
welcome back to school. I don't want to go to school, guys. You feel me? None of us do. Anyways, so let's unbox our shopping spree. We're gonna be unboxing our supplies.
Plastic, Roy, plastic.
Okay, let's do this. So we have 2 pack of pencil.
3
We have 3 pack of pencil for school. That's very.
And I have this note. It's very cute.
And we have a folder.
That's mine. That's a binder.
We have a binder.
That's
For
mine.
her. And we have a couple of folders.
What's this? I'm not
And
using this
a composition book
for me.
for
I
her.
have blue.
Okay, so let's unbox this one.
Ang plastic lagi. Okay, plastic lagi.
So this one is
Isa pa.
filler paper.
Paper na lang. Oy, papel.
Paper. This is papel.
Papel.
We have 2 of them. They're so heavy. Okay, and then we have some pink pearl eraser and bunch of random eraser, a rainbow color.
And she has this thing. Why are we talking so fast?
That's an eraser. This is eraser.
Sharpener!
I mean, sharpener. Sharpener. We have sharpener for me.
And this is for her. I'm getting the
That's note.
yeah,
a note.
Post
Post
whatever.
note. And we have 2 pack of glues.
We have this scissors. This one for my sister, and that's for me because I like it.
Tan taran! And we have this pencil, the rainbow pencil. This is the lead, and I don't know. These are eraser. I don't know.
There's my pink scissor, guys. It's so cute. It's better than blue. This one's ugly.
That's supposed to be mine.
No, this.
Wait, number 1. ASMR. Watch the magic.
And my nose, guys, it's so cute. No, for real.
I don't know. It again. Need this.
No. Gimes akong room. Contrast. Ay, cute. Ang labay. Kung ano yun.
But I want one. It says you want the pink note. Which is a
Is
lot.
that pink?
Yeah, pink.
It's not like pink though. I don't like that. I want that anymore. You can have this one.
Eraser, no?
Usually.
Eraser, no? It's so cute.
Okay, wait, hold on. I'm keeping this. This is cute.
I have eraser.
I want the yellow one, and the blue one, and the red one. You can have the.
No, why
You only want the purple one. The purple is this one.
And that one, the beige.
That's not beige, just
That's
orange.
beige.
I have the prettiest colors.
Wait, can I hold lead?
Can you open it?
I need lead.
No stick note, guys. It's so cute, guys. It's pink.
They can't see it.
Okay, no.
Okay, so
Okay, so kani. And I have this thing. Oh, what? This thing is so. I don't. Puti lagi.
ano? Why are you exposing?
Ikat me. Ikat, don't worry. I have this bow thing on my bag. It's so cute. I made that.
He's so
I wanna bring that.
little pink. Wait, I like this.
Yeah,
It's
ako
so
biya pili
colorful.
anak.
That's for school,
Decoration.
not for decoration.
Yes, it's so cute again.
Let's open our Sharpie.
Where is Nicole hiding? We're leaving. Bye guys.
Bye.
Hindi po sila bumibili ng marami because from previous school year, meron pa silang mga natitira. Mga natitira na mga stops, school stops. So, hindi kami bumibili ng maramihan. Last year, bumibili kami. Like bags and everything. But now, no. Just a couple of things lang.
That's it for today. Bye, guys. We love you so much. Please like and subscribe.
5:09. We are in College Station. Naghahanap kami ng payong. Putik na payong yan. Sa College Station nakarating. Okay. Traffic. We are here. JCPenney. JCPenney kami, guys. Maghahanap kami ng payong dito. We are looking for umbrella. How cool, diba? JCPenney umbrella. Maraming mga buang. No, I'm looking for something na sturdy at the same time compact. Kasi yung mga payong sa Walmart kay mga luparon man, dali ram mga guba. Hinahanap ko to eh. Sa online meron guys, pero blue naman. $37. Ito phone yung gamit ko. So, yung camera ko na iwan sa bahay. Ito maganda to sa entrance door. Diba? Yan Yan. Bibilhin ko yan. Wait lang. Mabigat kasi. Asa na yung asawa ko? Sabi niya may clearance daw eh. Mahilig kami sa clearance. Asa na ba siya? Babe! Oh, here. Ito yung mga clearance. Sa JCPenney kami guys ha. Naghahanap kami ng payong.
Yeah, don't go over there.
Why?
Because I'm sure you'll see something you want.
It was captured in the video. So you're telling them that I'm really a shopaholic girl? I'm not.
Well, I'm just saying you can't resist the sell when you see stuff up to 80% off.
What? Where?
You got it.
What do you mean you got it? Ano ba?
You understand. You said you want
Yeah,
something
because
you
I
said
listen
you
to you all the time. Like, I want pinch, but I have to sit down. Yeah.
You want a mortar and pestle?
Yeah, this is for, diba, this is for garlic. Is this your cousin?
Huh?
Is this your cousin?
No.
No. Stewart man lagi na Right, maganda dito. Ang problema lang, mahal siya guys. But you know what I love about strolling around here? Walang tao. And nobody's following you ba? In the Philippines, they are following you all the time. They're afraid that you are going to grab. Kelly, have you been out? You want out? Out? Come on. Come on. There you go. Dira na ka. Bye-bye. You stay there. So what are you gonna wear tomorrow? What are you gonna wear tomorrow? Are you ready for tomorrow? So you're gonna ride a bus tomorrow? Yes, Daddy needs more time for himself. Yes, especially kay mag-school na biya si Daddy, so need niya og rest. I'm going to take you there where the bus, and then you're just gonna follow the kids. You just follow them.
Yeah, I mean,
And don't forget about where's the paper with your rooms. Yes, where's your paper? paper mo for rooms? Diba you got it? Or it's in my bag?
Mag-get-kiss
How
na
about
rin ka
you?
din. Ha?
Your paper for rooms and everything.
Mag-get-kiss na din ka and then ikaw na maglakaw.
Yeah, I'll just buy you umbrella. Actually, we went to the mall today. Wala dyan umbrella.
Spicy noodles!
Wala may noodles ito.
Iba-iba
Isang
ko
mga
sa
sinina
friend.
kami nga to.
Iba-iba ko sa friend. Sige ko siya ma. I'm gonna go get my noodles.
Mo din nagpapalit ka ganyan. Chat-chat pa siya ganyan guys nga. Mama, please buy me spicy noodles.
I'm gonna go like, I'm gonna get my noodles. Like, why you say that to me?
7:30. Sakit ng ulo ko guys. So nagpunta kaming post oak kanina. Naghanap ng umbrella. Pagdating namin doon, wala rin namang umbrella. Sabi niya, bili ka na lang online. Oy, meron naman nabibili online na deliver agad in 2 days. But that's what I'm gonna do. Ang init po kasi guys. Uy, kung hindi lang talaga mainit dito, sa Texas talaga, and hindi naman kasi malapit yung bus drop off sa bahay. So, it's like, I don't know how many meters walk. 1 mile. 400 siguro. Mga 400 meters walk from here to there. So, it's not too close. And since it's summer nga, sobrang init sa Texas right now. Earlier, umabot kami ng 102 degrees Fahrenheit. I think mga 37, 38 degrees Celsius. Yan, guys. So, sobrang init po today, ha? And before last year, like August, umabot kami ng 105, 106 degrees Fahrenheit. Sobrang init na po niya, guys. And kawawa kung walang payong yung bata. So, sabi na sa ako, dapat bumili ka na last week pa. Like, yeah, ngayon ko lang naisip yung payong. So, I'm gonna buy that one. Nagpunta kami doon, and since nagutom na, kumain kami ng buffalo wings. Sobrang spicy yung asawa ko. Sumakit yung tiyan. That's why andun sa kwarto, nagre-rest kay sumakit yung tiyan. Naghilab yung tummy niya. Spicy kasi yung kinain. Hindi ko naman alam na hindi pala pwede sa kanya yung spicy na yun. Buffalo wings. Alam ko lang, hindi ko bibilhin. Kaya may kaon man po siya sa buffalo wings, guys. Hindi. Sakit yun yung tiyan. Sakit talaga yung ulo. Sobrang init talaga. Like, 7:31. Yung init. Yung init sa labas. Ha? Ugma na lang kayo. Gawas na ko ang grind. Ugma na lang ang spam. Maaga na naman ako gising tomorrow. Ay, good luck.
Uy, ayun, mag-amatag video nga. Get ready with me for the first day of April. This is Dami.
Lightning? Sure? What time are you gonna sleep tonight? She said she wanted to make a video daw. Get ready with me. Oh, sige. Paul mo, take out camera. Still, this is yours? Okay, Nicole, mani.
Ako ko masong.
Ako lang.
What is this?
Eraser.
Huh? That's
Ano?
so crazy.
Pang
Oh, you don't have to bring that all.
Diba ako dito?
And this is eraser too.
Yeah.
So, ito pala yung nagkamali pa ako kanina, guys, sa tindahan. Katawaan na po ko sa kumbana. So, bumili kami ng, wide, wide something, notebook paper. Ang binili ko is notebook.
Kita sa frame.
Pagdating namin doon sa cashier, sabi ng asawa ko, bakit meron kang ganito? Sabi ko, for Ashley. Sabi dito, like, di man na, yung dagan akong asawa. Dagan akong bana sa aisle kay ingon ani dai siya wide rolled notebook paper. Gibutang mo yung notebook paper, giditso na lang paper. Ay,
US money.
kaya nga nahirapan ako sa kalisod.
Okay.
Okay, Ashley, you don't have to bring everything. Just, are you excited for tomorrow?
No.
She's like, like, it's been 2 months. Paspasa sa adlaw, no? 2 months. Na nag-break time and then like back again to school.
Yesterday rin may gato sa school. Yes, yesterday.
So, what are you gonna take? You don't need
This
this.
one.
Which one?
Malagi ko 8 courses.
I need your,
What do I have 8 courses?
Anyway, I forgot to give you as well. Where is you need watch.
Yeah, I have.
So, ang time ani, the time ba?
Same
Ay,
naman sa amo. Nakabagitublaan mo.
tudlo na ka sure?
Yes.
Si Ashley kay new si Ashley. I have, nagkapaprint naman ko adto. You have to sleep early,
Learning
so
extra.
I should be sleeping early today. Kaya,
So, kasi gamitan ka.
we have to wake up early tomorrow, Ashley, like 5.
Bring all
We
of
need,
them.
ingon si Daddy,
Ako,
ingon si Daddy, we have to leave like
depends.
before 6:30.
Okay.
So, and you know why I said like, hindi na lang ka lang mahatod sa first day of school? Because everybody will bring kids to school and it will be very, very long line. Remember before? Dugay kita mahawas.
Lagi kong ba?
But you know, you will be fine. So, Daddy and I wanted to teach you, and you should learn like the independent, like half independent. So you're 11.
Naka-experience ako.
You will be 12 soon. Ate will be 13.
Uy, ang sani!
What are you so?
Ate will be 13.
14 naman akong giingon.
13 yung mag-iingon.
Did I say 13?